Hello everyone. Today gonna brought to you Gundam Converge again. This one is Strike Gundam full weapon set. So it has the whole weapons, and then I guess there's a different. There's a perfect strike. There's a L strike, and then there's a launch strike, and then there's a sword strike. So I can get the perfect strike, which has everything. Okay, let's open it up. I forgot how much this is. It's probably like $20 for this kit. Let's get to it. Okay, so it's open up like this. And probably not gonna keep the box. So a lot of different parts. There's the small knives, and then there's the bazooka. Okay, put it down. You can see all the components. It's quite a lot of weapon. I wonder if there's an instruction here. No instructions, so I guess we'll just have to figure out on the fly. Okay, so here's the main body. Looking pretty neat. Okay. It's a whole different kind of components and then different kind of modes. I'm gonna try to put together as much as possible because I don't like to leave the parts around. Okay, so here's the main body. Here's the head. Here's this antenna. Looking really good. And put on his foot stand. Okay. Just as a start. Okay, the foot stand is not sticking very well. Actually it is, but you need to do some effort. But right here. And then here's all his weapons. His hands. Bazooka weapon. Alright, and then let's look at his backpack portion. Alright. His wings. Okay, it's looking like his aerial wings. So it's looking like that. Not sure how you put together. Okay, I think this is a backpack. So I'll have to figure out how to put them together. Here's all these different sword and weapons. Oh, way too many components. Shield, some more of his wings components. That should be everything. Alright, keep moving my camera. And the last part, the sword. Favorite part. Alright, and then I guess the rest is just trying to put together different components. So once you do the perfect strike Gundam with all these weapons, and then you have to pick and choose. I think this is the good looking shield, so I'm gonna put take his hand off because he's gonna need to take some weapons. Okay. Now those are off, and then I'm wondering what I'm gonna put. Probably sword. So, oh shoot. So all his stuff is very hard to understand. This is probably the wings, but there's two different parts. Very hard to understand. This is where you can probably put the guns. Like that. It's a bazooka. This you put in one of the sides. Oh, it does have something here. Okay. How about the other side? This. Is it alternative arm? Not sure. So like this, you put here, I guess. Shoot. A second, the heads fell off. Okay. It's a lot of moving pieces. Okay. And put it on here. And I like the. This is gonna take some time to build. There's a lot of. This is another version. Okay, so this can put on this side. Very cool. Okay. I like that. And I guess one hand can have that huge sword thingy. Wait, where's the sword? Did the sword fail somewhere? Oh. Actually, there's some components that I didn't completely take it off. I'll double check later. So here's the sword. Okay, I see. So you can put the sword in like that. I'm gonna put it on this side. Okay, one hand with the sword and one hand with the gun. Oh, so you put a gun on the side. Is that what it is? Seems like this. Not sure what it is. So hard. So it is like this. How did this stick together? Oh, I see. So this is actually made like this, and then you stick it on something. You stick it like that, and then I see. Ah, I see. Interesting. Check out this. Kind of stick it like that, but okay, this is like super confusing. So I'm gonna have to think about. So I guess I can put a bazooka here. On one of the hands. This side. And then I want to put this on this side, but I need to figure out how that works. Uh, something like that. Like this. Very confusing. And then there's a smaller one. And here's the bigger one. And this, no idea. And there's just this. Okay. I see. So I guess there's a hole. This should go. Oh shoot. If I want to do perfect one, I need this big one and just a couple of things on the side. Let's go here. Let's go here. Very complex. Oh, this goes in for this though. I see. This is the strike aerial. But this is not the one I'm looking for. And this is likely the one I should be looking at. This is the strike. Doesn't come off. Alright. Oh shoot. So it is like this. Okay. And then two sides. This wing, how does this wing go into the back of this? Is there like a carrier to this? Alright, but must be missing some pieces. So for now I'm just gonna put this on here to kind of finish up a little bit on this, and then just to give good presentation of the strike freedom articulation. A mini perfect strike freedom. Here we go. Yeah. So all the different components that you can see is not an easy kit to showcase. This is like the different wing compartment, and this is a launch strike freedom gun. The extra arm, this extra spare parts, and this is knives as well. This spare shield, and then here's all this backpack which I need time to figure out. Yeah, so here I have it. If you like the struggle I've been through, leave a comment just to laugh at me, and then yeah, see you guys next time. if you like this kit and like whatever I'm showing, please like and then ask any questions. And yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.